Hey y'all, handmade knife review by Daniel. This is going to be my Thiccc Santoku, a beautiful high polished 52-100 high carbon blade. So that means you will need to take care of it and make sure it stays as clean as possible. Otherwise, rust is something that can occur, and you also want to do your best to just keep it dry and stuff off of it for long periods of time. Definitely no dishwashing and no submerging. But into the blade, you've got 7 inches of the Santoku 52-100. Very sharp steel, going to do a really good job with this thick spine when you're going through things. Really built for durability and stability. You've got a blue spalted pecan handle here. I really like the neutral style because it fits more hands than usual, just because there's not any added curvature. And then you've got 3 nickel silver pins right there. So anything for the great kitchen user, anyone who wants to use real hard knives, this is it. You guys have any questions? Check us out.